The way people spend money has a greater impact on happiness than the amount of money they have. People tend to feel more pain from losing money than they feel pleasure from gaining it. Money can influence people's behavior, leading them to act more selfishly or generously depending on the situation. Money can also have symbolic meaning for people, representing their status, power, or success. Financial issues can be a major source of conflict in romantic relationships and can also impact friendships and family dynamics. The way people save and invest their money can have a significant impact on their financial well-being in the long term. Money can be a powerful motivator for people, but it is not the only motivator. Money can bring happiness, but spending habits matter more than the amount.